Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mar'atus Solihah. Student ID number 20010411036. I want answer state question. Number 1. What does the passage main discuss? A. The advantage of using wood in the colonies. B. The effect of an abundance of wood on the colonies. C. The root of the Industrial Revolution. D. The difference between charcoal iron and coke iron. I chose A. The advantage of using wood in the colonies, because overall they discuss the advantage, and in the paragraph 1 in sentence 1, the colonists enjoyed a great advantage, and overall discuss advantage of using wood in the colonies. Then number 2, which of the following is a common assumption about the forests of North America during the colonial period? A. They contain only a few types of trees. B. They existed only along the Atlantic seaboard. C. They had little or no economic value. D. They covered the entire continent. I chose D. Because in paragraph 1, the sentence 3, there, he say the first colonists did not, as many people imagine, find an entire continent covered by climax forest. That covered by climax forest. So we cast D. Then number 3, according to the passage, by the end of the colonial period, the price of wood in eastern cities A. rose quickly because wood was becoming so scarce. B. was much higher than it was in Britain. C. was slightly higher than in previous years. D. decreases rapidly because of lower demand for wood. I chose C. was slightly higher than in previous years, because in the paragraph 1, in a sentence 4, yes, 4, he say, by the end of the colonial era, the price of wood had risen slightly in eastern cities. So we can choose C. And then number 4, what can be inferred about house in Britain during the period written about in the passage? A. They were more expensive than American houses. B. They were generally built with import materials. C. They were typically smaller than homes in North America. D. They were usually built from materials other than wood. I just D. They were usually built from materials other than wood because in paragraph 2 nih this he say house and all manner of building were made of wood to a degree unknown in Britain and uh, in Britain the forest is little and I think yes they were usually built from materials other than wood because wood is very stinky in there. And number 5, according to the passage, why was the use of cook smelting advantageous? A. It led to advance in technology. B. It was less expensive than wood smelting. C. It produced a stronger type of iron than wood smelting. D. It stimulated the demand for wood. I chose A. It led to advance in technology because in paragraph 3 say cook smelting led to technological innovation and was linked to the emergence of the industrial revolution. And then we can see A. And number 6, where in the passage does the author begin to discuss in detail the disadvantage that an abundant supply of wood brought to the colonies? A. Lines 1 until 3. B. Line 5 until 7. C. Lines 30 until 50. D. Lines 21 until 22. I just C because that's right. At line 30 until 50, that in paragraph 1, by the end of the colonial era, the price of wood had risen slightly in eastern city, but wood has still extended abundant. Uh, in the sentence that discuss disadvantage that abundant supply wood, and then we can we must choice C. Okay, like that. And in the text, and sorry if there are mistakes and the end of the wood. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.